Hello, hello, my fishies. It's Kat from the Firetunaclub here for another video. I don't have any big projects done, but I have a lot of little goodies to share with you at the start of another chaotic year. I'm going to start with my New Year's resolution, or attempt at consistency number 421, and hopefully year-long challenge, or another self-improvement adventure. Where was I going with this again? Oh yeah, right. This one was introduced to me by my good friend Sohma G. The No by 25 challenge was started by KatieMakesStuff. You can head over to her channel and read and learn more about that. But I'm doing a modified version for myself because her awesome lofty goals already had me kind of trembling in fear, but I want to join along in my way. It's already helping because I was contemplating paying an artist to make some chibis for me, and then I thought about how I wanted a new floor loom and decided how this thought. Well, I don't want to repeat of my end of 2023 breakdown, where I basically goodwilled 5 trash bags of craft supplies and fabric and took over the living room for about 2 months while I did all that. Switching gears though. In totally unrelated algorithm abuse news, I may have made some record sleeves to go with a printable record player you may or may not have already made recently. Who could I be talking about? In all seriousness, I made these like 3 years ago. Yes, I left the date on them. They were made in 2021. And I never got around to posting a video for it or actually posting the printable itself. So I figured no time like the present to just get them out there. To even commemorate the moment of me actually finally getting around to posting this, I made some colorful new records to go with them. Can you tell what I might be into right now? I've also posted some tone filler pages for another thing that isn't actually done. I'm working on the outline for that video right now, planning it, but it's not ready. I had aimed for some Halloween projects that I was making and it just didn't get done in time. What else is new? I was reusing some of the prototypes of stuff I made to make this really cool battery pack slash spell book that when weight is pressed or when the book is closed with the battery inside, it would light up my pumpkin. You might recognize the pumpkin head as belonging to my cursed witch from Halloween of 2023, actually, right before I had my crazy snap. I'm also working on some ball joint doll projects. You guys might remember Cooper. I mentioned him briefly a couple of years back now at this point. Yeah, I guess I really am a super slow crafter because I let life kind of get in the way. Oh well. I'm finally getting in gear on making his custom outfit for the character that he was purchased and is shelled for. So I'm starting with the boots, which they're not ready yet. I'm still kind of in the ironing things out stage. I've been taking and adding stuff here and there, but it's almost ready and I figured I'd mention that it is coming. It's definitely promising and I can't wait to share the tutorial and the assets with you. What assets, you might be wondering? Well, I definitely started a Thingiverse account. Finally. I've only been using that website for years. But I do actually want to start sharing some of the meshing work that I've been doing. The shoes are a great place to start. It's a nice combination of 3D printing, sewing, or I guess if you use glue, non-sewing project to make for any, in theory, 1/4 or MSD sized doll in that kind of range. Obviously, I can't guarantee that it's going to work for anything but my Eiffel House boy doll, but it should be able to. When the shoe files are protected, I will be uploading them to my Thingiverse account, and that has been linked below. I already actually have something on there. It's a removable frame for an embroidery hoop that I have. I designed it for my pin board because I plan to decorate the frame more, but it needed to be removable because I do regularly change out the fabric that the pins sit on. So it couldn't be welded to it. I know this isn't much of an update, but it is just a reminder that I'm still very much active in releasing stuff on my blogspot, as well as lurking and occasionally posting on the Instagram. I'm hoping to close out January with finishing a rather finicky UFO as part of the No by 25 additional motivators. Then I should be full steam ahead on wrapping up and sharing bigger doll projects with you all. Again, check out the blogspot and the Instagram. That's where I'm more available. Thank you for sticking around, and I look forward to seeing you all when I finish another project.